Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Dragonite Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve across at the top. And then let's curve it down on each side. Now at the bottom, let's curve it in. And then a curve across to close off the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw a large sideways oval. And then inside, let's draw two curves up and out for the nostrils. Next, let's hop on top and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large curve up and bring it down. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now top inside, and we're going to start on the top corner and draw a curve out and down. And then let's add an oval inside on the top left here and the top right. And let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve on an angle. And the same thing on the right. Now from both ends, let's angle it in towards the center. And close off each arm with a curve across. Now at the ends, let's draw 3 V-shaped points for the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now let's draw the belly patch behind. Let's start under the snout and let's draw 2 curves down to the arms. And then continue them underneath to the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw some curves across. Let's draw one near the top. Then let's hop down and let's draw another one in between the hands here. And for the next one below, let's bring it across, in the middle, and continue it on the right side. And then one more across the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop out and let's draw some details. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 angles up, meeting at a point in the center. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw a wavy line out and up. And the same on the right side. Now from the top, let's curve it down and follow that same wavy line back in. Lastly, let's hop down and draw the wings. Let's start with a curve down on each side. And then curve it back up underneath. And then let's add one more curve inside near the top. And that's it for Dragonite. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!